Hello, welcome to Conversation with Delores. Today is a tax tip, and the subject today is injured spouse release. That is Form 8379. Now, you will use a Form 8379 if you file married filing jointly and your spouse owe taxes or child support or something that the whole tax refund that you would get back will go and pay off their debt, will offset their debt. So any obligation the spouse has that owe in debt, that refund you would normally receive back, you will not get, right? So if that is the case, the innocent spouse the spouse that want her refund back, because she doesn't owe taxes, she doesn't owe, or he doesn't owe child support, will file an 8379 with their tax return. This means the injured spouse will receive their refund back to them. So therefore, when you do joint filing, right? If you do joint filing, you get a higher deduction, was $24,800, right? You get a higher deduction. But when you do joint, that means if one person owed taxes, both owe taxes, right? But when you file a Form 8379 and fill that out and file it with your joint tax return, that injured spouse form, which is 8379, that's saying do not touch the injured spouse. That person has no obligation to the debt that is owed. Okay? So for instance, if the spouse owes child support, back taxes, anything that anything the federal will withheld because that's what you owe, then the other spouse says, that's not my obligation. Then they will file an 8379 form with their taxes, okay? That is the tax tip for today with Conversation with Delores. Thank you.